Hi guys, welcome back. And for those of you joining me for the first time, my name is Julie and I'm a flight attendant for one of the major airlines in the US. Typically, I take you guys with me on my 24-hour layovers. However, once in a while, I also review travel-related products. And today is going to be one of those videos. So if you guys are in a hunt for a new travel backpack, I suggest you guys stay tuned and check out with me the new travel backpack. Now, the travel backpack that I'm going to be reviewing today is by Homiee Travel Backpack. And this is the one they sent me. As you can see, it's still in its original packing, so I have not unpacked it just yet because I wanted to do that with you guys together. So without further ado, let's get started and review this backpack. So I took it out of the packaging. As you can see, it's a pretty good size backpack. So the straps are actually made out of mesh, as you can see. And I do like that because that actually makes the backpack breathable and very comfortable to carry. So, and then in the back here, we actually have our first pocket. And right in here, you can fit a laptop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the backpack upstairs and I'm going to start packing some clothes in here and see how many days worth I can actually get into this backpack if I want to take this with me on a short trip. So let's go upstairs real quick. So let's start with the dimensions of this backpack. It's 14 by 8 by 18 inches, and you can see there are two straps on the bottom one and the top, just in case you want to tighten the backpack. It also comes with a built-in USB charger on the outside, and there's actually also a charging cable on the inside, which I'll show you a little bit later. As you can see, there are 3 different compartments, and in the front of the backpack, you have 2 additional pockets as well. And I like that the Homiee logo is actually stitched into the backpack. And on the side, you have space for a water bottle, or if you have a coffee mug, anything basically you want to carry with you. And you can see that if you wanted to connect the 2 straps, you can do that. And again, I want to point out that the back of the backpack is made out of a mesh material, which lets the backpack breathe and actually makes it more comfortable for you to carry as well. Now, these straps, unfortunately, you cannot take off. I have seen that with other backpacks, and I do like that better. So let's dive into this backpack and see all the items I was able to store. As you can see, it's pretty full. So let's go right ahead and start with the main compartment. I was able to fit 2 jeans, 3 tops, shoes, a dress, socks, yoga pants, and a yoga top. Earlier I mentioned to you that there is a USB cord, and here it is. Now on the top section there are more pockets. I actually place my little purse that I take with me when I go out, and there are additional pockets, one with a zipper and one without the zipper. Now you see I did not place any additional items in there, but if you need to place anything small, that would be the place to go. Now for the front, if you were to travel on a plane, me personal, I bring my noise canceling headphones. And then in the front here, I have my pouch where I have all my charging cables in. The second compartment, I actually placed my makeup bag and all of my toiletries. And there would have been lots more space to place items in there. But, I just wanted to go with the necessary items that I typically take when I travel anyways. And in the third department here, you can see there is a notebook. And I was able to fit my laptop. And I do have to say I have a large laptop. Yes, it's a heavy monster. But nevertheless, it fits. And then on the back of the backpack, we see there's another zipper where I would hold my phone, my passport, and my wallet. And here's an overview of all the items that I was able to fit into the backpack. So as you guys saw, I was able to fit an entire weekend into a travel backpack. I fit in 2 jeans, 2 tops, socks, shoes, a dress, and of course all my personal belongings, including a laptop and a notebook. So if you ask me, I think this makes for a great getaway weekend travel backpack. So if you are interested in this travel backpack and want to get your own Homiee Travel Backpack, I will put a link in the description box below so that you guys can go and purchase your own Homiee Travel Backpack. With that being said, if you guys got anything out of this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure that you subscribe to my channel so you come with me on my next layover. And with that, I'm going to say tschüss, bis bald, auf Wiedersehen.